In today's video, we'll show you how to open and close trades on MetaTrader 5. So let's dive right in. Once you're logged into your MT5 platform, navigate to the left side of the platform to the Market Watch window. To view all the available instruments, simply right-click on the Market Watch window and select Show All. To open a trade, right-click on the instrument you want to trade and select New Order. This will bring up the order window. Here you can enter all the necessary details. If you want to change the instrument, you can do that right here. If you want to place a pending order, select Pending Order from the Type drop-down menu. Otherwise, stick with Market Execution for an instant order. Next, choose the lot size you wish to trade. You can also set the stop loss and take profit levels according to your trading strategy. Next, choose between a fill or kill order, or an immediate or cancel order. You can also add a comment if you wish to include details about the trade. Once everything is set up, click Sell by Market or Buy by Market to place your trade. And that's it. The trade is now open, and the order line will also appear on the chart window. Alternatively, you can place a trade directly from the toolbar at the top of the platform. Just click on New Order, or you can also go to Tools and select New Order. The same order window will pop up. Enter the details and click the Sell or Buy button to place the trade. Now let's talk about one-click trading. This feature makes placing trades even faster. To enable it, go to Tools, then Options. A new window will pop up. Here, navigate to the Trade tab and select the one-click trading checkbox. You can read the terms and conditions for one-click trading here. Once you've read them, accept the terms by checking the box, then click OK, and you're all set. One-click trading is now enabled. To place trades using one-click trading, go to the Trading tab in the Market Watch window. Navigate to the instrument you wish to trade and simply click on Sell or Buy. Now let's talk about how to close a trade. All the open trades will appear in the Trade tab of the Toolbox window at the bottom of your platform. If you don't see the Toolbox window, simply click on View in the top left corner and then select Toolbox. To close a position, simply click the cross icon at the end of the trade, and the trade is closed. Alternatively, you can right-click on the open trade and click on Close Position, and that's it. The trade is closed, and that's all. Opening and closing positions on MT5 is straightforward and super simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.